Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to make or create a Spotify playlist. Firstly, open the Spotify app on your computer and in the lower left corner, click on New Playlist. A pop-up will appear, enter your playlist name and add a description, then upload an image. Then click Create. Your playlist will open and also appear in the left sidebar. Now navigate to the song you want to add, then click and drag the song into the playlist name in the sidebar. You'll see a green plus sign when it's ready to drop. If the playlist is empty, you'll also see Go to New Releases option to help you discover music. Spotify will also suggest songs at the bottom of your playlist with an add button. The more you listen, the smarter these suggestions get. With these steps, you can create customized playlists, add your favorite tracks, and organize them in order. And that's it, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.